TV, Nairobi.
Ogai mar ODM Raila Odinga dhi nyime gi puoyo okang' mane okaw mar tiyo kanyakla gi Jatend piny William Ruto e sirkal mar Manyanda. Kanowuoyo e iko mar mane od bura machon mar Arieda Bob Jalango, Odinga olero ni yie mar duond od bura mar ODM tiyo gi sirkal ne en mano mar reso piny Kenya e kinde mane ng'anyo othung'o chuny mar piny Kenya. Kata kamano, othir gi weche mag mibadhi molero ni nyaka duok piny mondo mi Kenya odongre e yorno makare. Iko no bende noywere gi gavana Siaya James Orengo mombedo ni telo ma Siaya ni kare.
Ndalo mane Bob go siasa,
we were at a stage where Kenya could actually easily take over and become a failed state. So it was then necessary to take emergency measures to ensure that we do not get into the precipice. It was necessary to make compromises in the interest of the country. The issue of corruption is a cancer in our society. And you can develop that irrespective of all the kind of steps you take unless you actually tame this animal called corruption.
I know, as a matter of fact, that my party leader is being guided by ideological foundations of reform and change. And at every sitting and every meeting and every conclave, that is the new word, he never forgets that he is a messenger of the people of the Republic of Kenya.
But even though we are in there, we have not forgone and we will not forgo our oversight responsibility over executive. Dr. James Nyikali is the chairman of the Health Committee. But collectively, in the National Assembly, we are still the minority. And we still oversight government.